Go ahead. Are you done? Are you done? Are you tired? Are you being a drama queen? Are you being a drama queen? Huh? You don't want to talk about it? Are you done? I'm going to send this to Daddy. Are you done? Are you done? Are you finished? No? Alright, can you say bye? Can you say cranky?